Hello, people of Earth. This is Dan Lockhart of the writer of the Valkyrie, Dan Lockhart YouTube channel, and this is my Season 4, Episode 4. Alright, this is the Break Free. This device, I saw in YouTube, actually, a video from the guys at Bikes and Beards, and they had done a review of a similar device that they bought off of Amazon, just a small strip that goes on the back of the helmet. What's the purpose of this thing is to make you more visible to people behind you, cars or trucks or whatever is back there. Break Free works as a additional brake light system that works off of momentum. So instead of it being wired to the bike or anything like that, it works off of inertia. So when you put the brake on, the thing is going to light up. Or when you downshift, that's advantage. People could be behind you. You could be going hard through the gears to a lower gear, and they may not have any idea that you're slowing down. But with this thing on the back of your helmet, which will be up higher than your tail light on your motorcycle, obviously, so it'll be more at an eye level, gives you more visibility, more safety. So hopefully this is going to work out for me. Like I said, I watched the Bikes and Beards guy do a review of a similar device, but it really wasn't what I was looking for. And I read some of the comments off the review that they did, and some of the guys said that they were using Break Free. So I looked it up, and then I saw another YouTube video from a guy chased on two wheels that was pretty comprehensive. He did an unboxing, attached it to the helmet, and put a 360 camera on the back of his bike so you could really tell what was going on. So hopefully this will work. And I intend to do a ride video later today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 360 camera and put it on an extension and put it on my chest mount, turn my chest mount around backwards so it'll be showing the back of my head, hopefully. And I could edit that and show you what's going on. So anyway, this is the Break Free. I'm going to go ahead and open the box now. This is the second one. So yeah, there's some interesting things on the outside of the box too, I'll just mention. It says it's glove-friendly power button, has an 8 to 10 hour battery life, 100 LEDs in the frame, it's 120 degree visibility, it has micro USB charging. Break Free guys, if you're listening, use USB-C please. It's also water resistant, has a universal mount. You can buy additional mounts if you have more than one helmet that you'd like to put this on. And no apps, no wires, and it's ultra bright. So that's what it says on the outside of the box. My friend Craig told me that there was a Shark Tank for the guys that started this company, and the Shark Tank people decided to fund it. I don't think they did a full funding, everything that they wanted, but they did get funding from Shark Tank. So anyway, it says, please read the quick start guide. Seriously, read the quick start guide. Okay. This is the quick start guide. Okay. Essentially tells you how to attach the helmet. They give you an adhesive tab. They give you an alcohol swab to clean the back of the helmet before you put the adhesive tab on first. And comes out of the box like that. Has a USB micro plug. Goes underneath this little rubber tab here on the bottom of the device. Make sure it's lined up right. Yeah, there you go. And it should be able to charge with any USB adapter. You can charge it off your computer, or if you have a plug like this. This was the one that came with my last cell phone. I've got like 14 of these things now. But it goes in there like that. And I should probably just go ahead and plug that in while we're talking about it here. I don't think it was fully charged last time. But anyway, if it had any charge on it, you just long press this button or short press. There it comes on. And then it goes into different modes depending on how you're going to set it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the charger while we're doing the rest of this review. Okay, well, it's charging. It's got, I don't think my cord's long enough. I could turn my tripod around. But right now I've got it on the charger and it's flashing 2 lights on the top there. I imagine that's a charge indicator. On startup. Nothing on charging on the back here. It does have a warning here that I think I should point out to you too. That says that if you have a high backpack, it could inadvertently release the device because the thing slips down on the top of your helmet in the back. So if you have a backpack that's pressing up, it could inadvertently press that off. Let's see what the lights mean while it's charging. Okay, yeah, there it is. It says on startup, it'll tell you how much of a charge it has, but right now it's blinking 1 blink every few seconds. When you start it up, if it has 1, 2, 3 blinks, it indicates percentage of charge from 35 to 100%. So we'll just leave that on there for a little while and continue on here with the rest of it. So that's all that's in the box. It's the device itself and this adhesive patch that goes on the back of the helmet. We're going to go ahead and apply that. I'll wait to put a little bit of charge in there. Let's see what the instructions are for attaching it to the helmet. It says test fit on the helmet to make sure that it's flat against helmet for maximum adhesion. Wipe down the back of the helmet with a swab. It says that the helmet curvatures vary depending on the helmet. And it says to find the maximum contact patch. I did check with Break Free before I bought the device to make sure that my helmet, which is a Sena Momentum, that it would work with the Momentum, and they did reply back to me and say that it would. So I have not done any test fits on it so far. We'll check that in a second. So it says clean off the back of the helmet with the swab after you've done your test fit. And go ahead and apply the sticker. It shows it going this way up. And it says wait before riding for maximum adhesion. After application, bond streak will increase. It's recommended that you don't ride for 2 hours to make sure that that thing's stuck on the back of the helmet. So my ride's going to be later on this afternoon anyway. On is a quick press, mode is a quick press, and off is a 2-second hold on the power button. So it has different modes. Let's see if it says what the different modes are, because it could be an always-on type of a situation. I guess that's going to have to be like a practice thing. This also has a URL for their website that will, I'm sure, give me more instruction on it. For full details, see the user manual online. I can do that. So, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the adhesive strip. Like I said, it's make sure that it's pointing up. Let's do a quick test fit to make sure I can find the sweet spot on the helmet. Plug it from the charger for a second. Okay. My Sena has a little ridge right here, so I'm thinking that it can't go any higher than that. But gosh, seems like it's going to be a pretty good fit right there. Probably they got me paranoid about the backpack thing, although I'd seldom use a backpack. Probably the higher up on the helmet, the better. I mean, you could probably attach it down here, but I'm going to try to get it as high as I can to avoid the backpack lift-off problem that they were talking about in the instructions. So I'm thinking right under that ridge, right under the Cena logo right here. That's where I'm going to try to apply my adhesive patch. So let's see where that would be. Probably right about there, maybe. Try to get it centered on the E and the M in Cena. I think that's probably going to work right there. That's where I'm going to try to apply mine. Alright. Let's clean it up like they suggest. Okay, the alcohol swab out. Clean that up back there. So this is good. So after I apply this, then you can get that to dry for a second. After I apply this thing, then I can put the brake free back on the charger and get my bike ready to go, because I'm going to ride into town in a little bit. Get my GoPro harness ready to go so I can show you guys the back of the helmet, make sure that everything is working. I'll copacetic it back there, and then we can go on with the episode, the next part, the next clip. So I think that's pretty dry. Pretty good. All right. Let's try this. Well, it's just like pretty much like a GoPro mount would be applied. Okay. So I was going to put it right under the E and the N on Cena. I think I have it. Touch down, hold for 60 seconds, that's what they recommend. Hope I got that on there straight. It looks pretty straight. What do you think? Yeah. One of those things like, let's hang the painting. Let's see how the painting on there. My dad had a laser level that was really good for hanging stuff, and after he passed, I inherited it, and I've got to find that thing because it's great, if you want to do straight lines. Do that another second. Alright, that's on there. I'm not sure how centered it is, but it's right under the E and the N on Cena. So I'm kind of thinking I don't want to put that on there just yet, and that anyway until the adhesive pad. So we'll get that, just go ahead and let that sit on the helmet. And we'll go ahead and put this back on the charger. See how long that takes to charge up. And we'll get the bike ready, we'll get my cameras ready, and we'll go out for a little ride this afternoon.